There are 4 herbs that can help treat and prevent nausea. This is my second pregnancy, and both I have been extremely nauseous. My first pregnancy, I was nauseous pretty much the entire pregnancy. I ended up having to get on medication. It was terrible. And this time I am in my second trimester. I have no more nausea. So I want to talk a little bit about some basic herbs that you can start introducing into your diet the moment you find out you're pregnant in order to curb some of that inevitable nausea. First one is ginger. I'm sure you've all heard of it. It is in fact extremely effective when it comes to nausea and motion sickness. My favorite way to utilize ginger for nausea is to use it in a tea. So I'll get some fresh ginger, I'll chop it up into little pieces, I'll throw some in some water, let that boil, and then strain out the ginger pieces. Some people like to keep the ginger pieces in there and like chew on them. That's totally fine too. Next one is holy basil, and this is very often paired with ginger, so you can add holy basil into that water and make it into a tea. It also relieves bloating, gas, and heartburn, which are all very common symptoms of pregnancy. The third herb that I want to talk about is peppermint. Peppermint is great for many things, but it is extremely effective when treating pretty much any digestive issue. Stomach aches, nausea, bloating, even hiccups. And finally, we have rosemary, which is also in the mint family. Rosemary is so delicious when made into a tea. It's also really easy to find throughout your neighborhood. So if you live in a place where rosemary is abundant, I suggest doing a walk around the neighborhood. We have multiple rosemary bushes that I just pull from to get it fresh. Rosemary eases slow digestion, which in turn helps with nausea. That's it. Those are my top 4 herbal recommendations for treating and preventing nausea, especially during pregnancy. Let me know if you guys try it, or if you have any other questions, or if you have any other suggestions for things that worked for you, please let me know down below.